My name is Kaelan Deese, legal affairs reporter for the Washington Examiner, and here is my year in review. Three big cases this year, the first being Students for Fair Admissions versus UNC and Harvard. Colleges across the United States are preparing for a future without race-based admissions policies, as the Supreme Court will soon decide whether to end decades of affirmative action precedent. Challengers against the 2003 precedent are hoping that the 6-3 conservative majority will be willing to apply strict scrutiny to the decades-old affirmative action precedent after Asian student applicants alleged Ivy League schools were making admissions decisions on race-based standards. So the next case that's really important this term is 303 Creative versus Ellis. Justices heard arguments this year over the case of a Christian designer from Colorado who says she cannot create websites for same-sex couples, citing her First Amendment free speech rights. Unlike similar cases that have come before the High Court in recent years, justices will not be analyzing the case based on web designer Lori Smith's sincere religious beliefs. Rather, if the First Amendment protects her from being compelled to create a message that contradicts her beliefs. Finally, Moore versus Harper could be one of the biggest cases of this entire term just for its future implications on general elections in the United States. The High Court will soon decide a case that could upend state courts' ability to regulate federal election rules. More specifically, Moore versus Harper will provide an opportunity for the Supreme Court to weigh in on a contentious constitutional theory known as the independent state legislator doctrine, which argues that only state legislators have authority over the administration of federal elections in their states. For Washington Examiner, I am Kaelan Deese.